We're going to look at cutting holes in objects. We're going to start with a simple box. Draw our box out. We're going to add a few segments here. Now, one of the ways to cut holes in things is using this modifier. Going to Edit Poly. You can either do the edge or the vertex. Select the vertices that you want to get rid of. Make sure that you, before you start that, you click Ignore Backfacing if you only want it to do the top layer, not the bottom layer. Hit Delete. Look, it's got a hole in it. The problem with this is that it's almost pixelated because it's got these square edges. If we wanted a round hole, that could be a problem. So the other way to do this, we're going to draw another box. Actually, I'm going to delete this box. And draw another box. And let's say we want a hole, a round hole through the entire box. We can draw a cylinder, the size that we want the hole. We're going to push the cylinder through the box. I'm going to color this something different so we can just see what's going on here. Then we want to select what we want to hole in. So I want the hole in the box. We're going to go up to our compound objects, select Pro Boolean, start picking, and then we're going to click on the cylinder, which is like a drill bit. So when we click on the cylinder, there's our hole. Now, if we want that hole not all the way through, we can very easily just pull it up to where we want it. And if we want some neat shapes, we can actually even rotate it through here, set it the way we want it. And then we're going to try this again. Select what we want the hole in. This time we've already got a Pro Boolean, so we just click Start Picking and select our little drill bit here. And you can see we've got a hole all the way down to where we set it. Now let's say that we have a modified object, so we're going to get rid of that. I'm going to draw a line now with this compound shape, we're going to extrude it. And extruding it actually makes it a three-dimensional object. Now, we've got a lot of things going on here, but one thing that I want you to notice here is it still has only one piece for this top. So sometimes if you Pro Boolean something like this, it gives you some weird results. So we're going to use a different type of modifier on this to cut. I'm going to come back over here to our standard objects, our cylinder. So if it gives you something that you don't want, so if you click on this and everything goes away when you do a Pro Boolean, another thing that you can do is you can use this Boolean tool. We use the Boolean tool the same way we use the Pro Boolean tool. Select the object you want to keep, click Boolean, but this time we're going to pick your operand click on the object, and you get the same results.